Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm bringing you another unboxing. So this time it isn't anything tech, it isn't anything art supplies, it's just something to do with our music. Let us know in the comment section down below if us uploading music would be something you're interested in. I don't know, just Kathleen writes her own songs, so we'll just see. Anyway, let's start. There are two things in here. Let's start with this one. This is a piano book for Wicked songs. Okay, so the funny story about this book is that so I purchased my piano in March. The day I purchased it, I went to the library and picked up a bunch of music books. This is the one I didn't return until mid-June. So I had this book for March, April to May, May to June, 3 months, and I just kept renewing it and renewing it. Yeah, and this is it. I'm so happy that I own it now because I played it so much. It's got pretty much all the songs in it except for The Wicked Witch of the East, which isn't even on the cast album, so.
No One Wants a Wicked, The Wizard and I, What Is This Feeling, Dancing Through Life, Popular, I'm Not That Girl, One Short Day, Defying Gravity. I couldn't be happier. I don't know why they have a title like this because in the play, technically, it's called Thank Goodness, and it's one of my favorite songs. Wonderful, As Long As You're Mine, No Good Deed, and For Good.
For whatever reason, there's like dust and plaster coming down from my ceiling. Okay, this is also piano and vocals for The Greatest Showman. I have listened to the cast album so many times, and I only recently just watched the movie. Actually, Kathleen has seen it 3 times, and I've only seen it once. The movie was alright. I mean, it was definitely a Disney movie, so it didn't have, like, I feel like lots of people in the comments are gonna be like, excuse me, but I thought the movie was just okay. The songs, however, I adore the songs, so I bought the piano arrangements. I'm so happy to have this and try it out. I've actually never played any of these songs before on the piano, so I'm excited to try those out. I also have another piano book coming. It's just like a piano for beginners, like a how-to book, but that won't be here till I want to say sometime next week. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, click subscribe, ding the bell so you don't miss any future unboxings, music videos, anything like that. And that's all from me today. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!